Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the present support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, December 2nd. At 7 AM we have medium impacting news for Japanese yen related currency pairs. At 8:10 AM we have high impacting news for Australian dollar related currency pairs, followed by medium impacting news for euro related currency pairs. And at 10 AM we have high impacting news planned for New Zealand dollar related currency pairs. And at 7 PM we have high impacting news for Canadian dollar related currency pairs and US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade today. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action, we have noticed the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1807 on a bearish side retracement. Again, after testing the support level of 1616, we have noticed a price action to consolidate or to retest this support level several times and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement from the support level of 1616. And from this bullish bounce back, we have noticed a price action to continue its bullish side retracement. And currently we are noticing the price action to retest the resistance level of 1807. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1807, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. This is a very strong resistance zone for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. And when we draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, I am drawing a support line connecting all the previous support levels, and I am again drawing a resistance line connecting all the highs of the previous price action. So based on this support line and the resistance line, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend, and currently it is testing the trend line or the resistance line. So only when the price action breaks this resistance line and also the previous resistance level, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement. And if the price action fails to break this resistance level, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start. Again, we have a very strong trend line or the support line running on the bottom, and only when the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in 4 hours time frame. And as long as the price action is trading within this resistance and support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1807 in order to freshly enter into the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance level of 1807 in order to freshly enter into the bearish side retracement. And when we look at the overall trend of the price action, it is still in a bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1807 to 1800, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance zone, we can expect the next level of support to be around 1760. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1760, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start, and next level of support is going to be around 1730, 1706, 1687 and 1673. And this area between 1687 to 1673 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, we are noticing it to be in very nice bullish trend. And we know from the 4 hours time frame that this zone between 1807 to 1800 is a very strong resistance zone. So wait for the price action to break this resistance zone if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this support level of 1800 if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side retracement. And the next level of support from the 4 hours time frame is going to be around 1760. And again I have drawn a trend line or a support line for the current price action in hourly time frame. And even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, it has to break this support line in order to fall further on the bearish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading above this blue color support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in hourly time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance zone between 1807 to 1800. Wait for the price action to break this resistance zone, and next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1817, 1829 and 1844. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, next level of support in hourly time frame is going to be around 1794, 1789, 1783 and 1772. In which case it will be breaking the trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame, and next level of support is going to be around 1760 from the 4 hours time frame. And as long as the price action is trading above this support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also, we are noticing the current price action to trend on the bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line from the 30 minutes time frame if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading above this support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame. But we have a very strong resistance zone from the 4 hours time frame, which is between 1807 to 1800, which it has to break in order to continue its bullish side retracement. And for now, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a bullish trend. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the higher time frame resistance zone between 1807 to 1800. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side from this resistance zone, and if it gives a breakout on the bullish side, next level of resistance is going to be around 1814, 1825 and 1838. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, next level of support is going to be around 1795, 1790, 1785, 1776 and 1764. And we have a higher time frame support level which is around 1760. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.